In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload HD videos to TikTok, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you need to open your TikTok app, of course, and be logged in, and it will take you to your homepage, just like this. From here, you need to just go ahead and hit the add button in the bottom middle of the screen, and then you can choose to either record a video or upload a video. I'm just going to go ahead and press upload at the bottom right, and upload this one and press next. And now you can do all the normal edits or music or whatever. Then hit next again at the top right. And you can then add all the effects you want and then press next again. And at this point here, you will know if you have this option or not. And I actually don't have this option, but I can show you what it looks like. And it looks like this. As you can see, you just need to press on more options and turn on the toggle for upload HD. And if you're able to do this, then you can post. Now, if you don't have this option, unfortunately at the moment, I think they're only giving it to people in certain locations and only giving it to certain phone models that are HD compatible. And your phone may be HD compatible like mine. I have the 11 Pro Max, but still don't have this option, and that's because, like I said before, I think it's only available in certain locations at the moment. But they should be rolling this feature out to more devices soon anyway, and it would be great if they could roll it out to everyone. But anyway, that's how you upload a HD video on TikTok, if you can, of course. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like and consider subscribing to help me on my journey to becoming the biggest digital tutorial channel on YouTube. See you next time. Bye bye.